So I was watching the audio podcast of Ryan Holiday with Steven. He was discussing about the topic of stoicism. And the reason I'm listening to audio podcast nowadays is it is in one of my checklist of English communication. Like I have a checklist that I follow every day in order to improve my English. In that checklist, like let me give you some context about the checklist. In that checklist, I have to record 2 videos. I have to listen to 15 minutes of audio podcast, 15 minutes of English videos, 15 minutes of reading, then 3 to 5 new English words. Like I have a checklist, and checklist really helps. So in that checklist, I have the audio podcast thing, and glad I introduced that audio podcast in my checklist because audio podcast literally helping me to improve my English. Like because in audio podcast there is no subtitle, so I have to listen to it very carefully. And if I listen to it carefully, then I am becoming a better listener. I am becoming more patient. Like my patience level is increasing, and yes, I am learning. I'm able to listen to English content. And yes, learning English is all about the consumption and practice. I have to consume, I have to read, and I have to communicate. That's it. That's how we learn a new language. If I have learned my mother tongue only because I have consumed a lot of it and I have practiced a lot of it. So I am gonna repeat the same method, same checklist in this English communication as well. So yes, I was listening to audio podcast of Ryan Holiday, and I am recording this video to document some of my takeaways that I got. He told one important thing that most people think stoicism is about emotionless, that strong man, very strong man with no emotion, and with hard robot like power. No, that's not. That's a wrong perception of stoicism. Stoicism is actually simple. It is understanding the emotions and categorizing the emotions, that what is in my control and what is not in my control. Understanding the emotions and analyzing it from a third point of view, that whether it is in my control or not, whether I should spend my time or not. So it is being aware of yourself. It is very philosophical. The stoicism is very philosophical. All the stoics are not like the general philosopher who not work out, who doesn't go to war, who doesn't do strength training. They do all of it. Stoicism, the stoic man is mentally strong, physically strong, and yes, both. So stoicism is basically very philosophical. It is not about just emotionless. It is just to understand your every emotion, to categorize that emotion, whether that emotion you have the control of it or not, whether you have a control of specific event or not. So yes, I think people perceive everything wrong until they try to understand it. Once they understand it, their perception literally change. So before understanding, people should not give their perceptions to anything. Every perception is wrong until you try to understand it. Yeah, so he told about memento mori, and I also liked about the thing that he mentioned, that long walks and water helps you a lot. And that is very true. When we go for a long walk and when we interact with water, no matter whether it is in swimming pool, whether it is shower, but when we interact with water, our system literally heals. Like we feel very good. It is naturally, biologically ingrained with us. So that's the reason Stoic also developed many ponds, and they have figured out all the bathing things in their places. They have good bathing places developed in their areas, because they literally respect the water. They think that water has a connection with you, and I also think the same way. So Ryan Holiday also follows two things, which is walking and swimming. These two things is in his daily routine. So yeah, I love this thing, and I will the main message of this video is I will be listening to more audio podcast, and let's see how it takes me. But yes, it is making me more patient to listening. I'm able to listen, and when I listen, I think that my attention span is low, but when I listen to more and more audio podcast, it will help me a great way. So that's all. My main purpose is just to consume and practice. If I want to learn English, then I have to consume a lot of stuff, and I have to practice it daily without judging myself. This is what it is. That's it.